How do I change my password on my Google Voice? You know what? I've not been asked this question before, but I kind of get it. This person's probably using a Gmail account primarily for Google Voice, and they want to change their password. So let me go show you how you do that. Here I am. I'm in Google Voice. Ignore the fact that I also have Gmail and Drive and Calendar and Contacts and all that other stuff open, but I'm in Google Voice. How do I change my password? Go over here to the upper right hand corner and you'll see it hovers over my Google account. Click on that, and right there, manage your Google account. Go into your Google account, go over here to security, and then go down here where it says password. Click on that. It'll force you to re-log in and make sure that you are still the user. You know the current password. Let me repeat. The application is going to want to know that you know the current password. So hopefully you know the current password. And if you don't, hopefully you have a recovery email address or recovery phone number, because when you click on Forgot Password, it's going to use one of those two options to help you reset your password. Once you have the current password, click Next. And now it's going to ask you to type in a new password, confirm that new password. By the way, figure out a way to document that password so you don't forget it. I use LastPass, and then click Change Password. And once you've done that, you have just changed your password to your Google account that's associated with this Google Voice. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.